Hey there, welcome to my virtual diary. My name is Hannah and I'm a Filipina living in Sofia, Bulgaria with my husband Bess. Join me as I navigate my mid-20s in an unfamiliar place while finding balance between life and work. In today's vlog, we're exploring the vibrant city of Tokyo, devouring on Japanese food, a quick room tour, and a visit at TeamLab Planets. We're in Tokyo! Checking in. Get the amenities here. I need amenities. It's not in the room. I just need this. We have, and the pajamas are over there. Babe, what the heck?
I'm not going without you.
We're staying at Sotetsu Fresa in Tokyo Tamachi for 8 nights. We booked it on booking.com. This is not sponsored. And we paid 1,590 leva and 45 cents or 121,631 yen for the entire stay. The hotel is a 6-minute walk from Mita Station and Tamachi Station for the Yamanote line. It's not really that big like the other hotels that we've been to. But it's perfect, yeah. Vending machine for drinks and a vending machine for cup noodles. And there's the microwave and chopsticks. Where are we at?
I don't know. Started at Jordan. Okay, let me change it. Like, yeah.
Good morning, rainy Tokyo. We're heading to Starbucks Reserve Roastery, which is almost an hour away from our place. We're taking the train. It's a two ride. Yeah. We have to change.
The next station is Shibuya. JY20.
I'm not sure if we hopped on the right one. Let's go upstairs.
Looking at shark. We came to the right place. The shop looks like a puffer jacket.
Morning. Today we're going to TeamLab's Tokyo. TeamLab's Planet Tokyo? Yeah. Because there's two. There's Borderless and TeamLab's Planet. But we're going first to Tokyo Tower. Tokyo Flash. Isn't that the song?
Yeah.
Look at Bessie. We're in Tokyo. Waiting for our bus. Our ticket is at 9:30, but it's already 8. It's only 8:52, and we're already here. Early bird.
That's how it should be.
I booked our tickets directly on their website a month in advance, but you can also book it on the Klook app. It was 10,000 Japanese yen or 129 leva and 73 cents for the both of us. I recommend for you guys to book the earliest ticket available. The museum is open at 9 o'clock, but it's better for you guys to arrive earlier than your scheduled time slot since you still have to line up and you can stay as long as you want inside. Wow, that feeling is so good.
It's not that bad.
What? Honey. Wow. Hi. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Wow, look at the water. Whoa. Oh, look.
Okay, you need to find that book. So I will read.
You want
I
this
will read
as well?
Aaron, I will read that book. If you find that book, like that's a big help. Even get her
Look at that one. My butterfly. It's a butterfly. Got dizzy. Let's go. Food.
I want to see.
What did you get from the grocery store?
Got a detergent.
What does it say? Detergent will be added automatically.